What's going on, everyone? It's Portuguese DIY Dad. Today I am harvesting some potatoes. I wanted to show you what it looks like to harvest some potatoes. So here we go. Alright, so these are potatoes. They've been in the ground for about, I want to say 9 weeks, 9 to 10 weeks, and it's about the time to start thinking about getting them out. So I noticed the other day one was kind of protruding right here, and that's when I knew. I'm like, all right, it's kind of time to start to see if they're ready. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Look at that. It's like attached to this one. All right, so it is so satisfying to grow your own food and to just be able to enjoy the food that you grow, you know, and cook it and eat it, knowing that the food you're eating has no pesticide, true organic. So here we go, first one. All right, let's see if there's any more. Oh, here we go. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Look at that. To be honest with you, I rarely grow potatoes, and this is the first year that actually I was successful. You know, you try, you mess up, and then you try again until you get it right. So I put these in the ground, like I said, 9 to 10 weeks ago, and that's it. Oh, here's a little one. This is so cool. And there's so many ways to grow potatoes. I've seen videos of people growing potatoes in bags, and I've never tried growing them in bags, but these are galvanized garden boxes. Check it out. So I got these on Amazon, so the link will be on the description box of this garden bed, and they're pretty cool. They're not too expensive. You can stack them up and make them higher if you have a bad back and you don't want to bend down too much, or you can keep them low to the ground like I have them. And I have a lot of stuff growing. I also made my own, and it's working out so good, so far so good. All right, so check it out. Here's another one. All right, let's see how many potatoes I get this time. All right, I'm doing the last of it, finding little potatoes here and there, but I just pulled the last bunch, and there it is. I'm gonna give that to the chickens. Nothing goes to waste. This little area gave me right here, and unfortunately I took a scallion out by mistake. So one box full of potatoes plus those. I think I have enough for maybe, I don't know, 4 meals for my family. So the takeaway there is that you need to plant a lot of potatoes if this is going to be your way of life, right? So all right guys, so this is it. Harvesting potatoes took me about 9 to 10 weeks, and there are certain types of certain times in the year that it's best to grow potatoes, so you need to look at your area where you live and the best time to do it. Okay. All right guys, enjoy. Give me a thumbs up. If you have some feedback, leave it in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless.